Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Info. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a PDF file out of your Google Docs file. So without further ado, let's get into the video. To start with, open the Google Docs file which you want to export to PDF. In my case, I'm using this sample document. Once you have your document ready to be exported, go to the File section in the top left corner. Here, navigate down to the Download option, and a list appears from which you can choose the .pdf file. And it will automatically start the download. It's done. Now let's open it and see if it works. Voila! It worked! That's it for today's video. Hope you found it informative. If yes, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the Tech Info as we upload tech videos regularly.